are going to love the 2016 Mercedes CLS class. Simple infatuation quickly becomes an unwavering devotion. The tested 5.0-liter V8 delivered abundant power with quick steering that offers great feedback. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, hard disk drive media storage, cruise control, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.